What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Patrick Star from Spongebob Squarepants. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, we're going to come down towards the bottom and then up on the right side. Now we're going to draw that same size oval on the right side so they're touching in the center. So let's start by lining up the top, come in towards the middle, round out the bottom, and then go back up towards the top. Now I want to push the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a small oval, and fill that in black. Just line that up on the right. And I'll move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start from the outside of the left eye, curve down, and then bend that back up. Let's add a bracket on the corners of the mouth, going out and down. Now on the left side, we're going to step down, curve the bottom of the mouth, coming all the way down toward the bottom, round this out, and then go back up on the right. Let's place the tongue in the center of the mouth. We start over on the left, curve up, just going to bend that down towards the right. Let's step back to create a fold, go up and then down. Let's add a fold along the bottom for the lip. And then we'll go up to the top and add in the eyebrows. Let's start with a straight angled line across the top of the left eye. Line this up on the right. I'm going to flatten off the inside and the outside of the eyebrow. Let's close off the top. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now from here we move out to the side and draw on the collar. Let's line up at the top edge of the tongue over on the left side. Just to curve this down, and we'll bend that in towards the middle. Bend this out and up towards the right. Now I'm going to bend the side of the head going up and then in towards the center. Let's start over on the left. We'll go up in an angle, round up the head, come in towards the middle. Let's round up the top, come across, and then back down on the right. Now I'm going to go out to the side and draw on the collar. From this point, bend this out and then down. And then from here, we're going to bend this down and in. And we'll curve this up and in towards the edge of the collar. Let's go back up to the outside point of the collar, draw two straight angled lines going up and out. And we'll round out the sleeve, going around and then down. Let's draw a short angled line coming down and in towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to overlap the body on top of the arms. So let's step back up, bend this out, and then down. And then from the hips, we're going to curve this down and then in towards the middle, leaving a gap in the center. Line this up on the right, going out and up. From the inside, we're going to angle this up and in towards the center point. Let's add two buttons along the middle, starting from the top. Add one circle, step down, and draw that again. Now I want to go back and tuck the arms in behind the sleeve. From this point, we're going to step down, bend the arm going up, and then out. Let's round out the tip of the arm, come down and then in behind the sleeve, leaving a little overlap along the bottom. Now from the hips, we're going to step in, curve the body, coming down and in. Let's leave a gap and draw the bottom edge, curving down the middle, and then back up. Now you want to leave a large gap in the center. Go to the left side, draw a straight angle line coming down and out on both sides. And then we'll round out the edge of the shorts, going out, and then we'll bend that up. Let's draw a straight angle line going up underneath the body. And we'll tuck the legs in underneath the shorts. From the outside, we're going to step in, curve this down, round up the leg, and just pull that back up underneath. Let's add those patterns inside the shirt. We'll start over on the left side. So we come in and then back out. And we're going to add 4 petals going out. Let's tuck one down in the bottom right corner, coming around. Then we'll add one more on the top right sleeve. And we'll go back and add a few dots across the body. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Patrick Star. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.